Oh, me what they tell me. Let me come looking for you. Be down your door like 4 nights, honey. Look, you gotta crawl before you take the nunchucks, 'cause then you are telling me that you're pardon. I'm clear. Well, let me tell you now that I'm looking for you to holler. Crawl if you have to through the tunnel to get to where we're going. Oh, let's go handsome. I only man. Look here now. I'm the only one for love. And we will do a robbery. Bonnie and Clyde sent me. Let's rob a bank to get the hell out of this situation. Wear a priest outfit and bring your bitch and put her in a nun suit and I'll be the rabbi. Now, that's what they tell me from. Keep the money, hold that on to a dome. Make an example out of one. Jewelry to the pawn shop, hardcore pawn zone. And I'm on the news, man. Look, your cousins in the world. Hurry up. Cops and robbers. Tell your kids shut their mouth up. In a mansion lit up in the sky, we're on top of the hill. That's where we will drive past, and at last we'll take the road. End up on Con Airplane, and then we'll take the train, and then we'll hop on the we'll hop on the red eye and get away with the whole thing. Anyway, helicopter is looking everywhere for his partner.